Oh man, I can't wait to hang out with Chica today. Wait, what? Who is that? It looks like me, but pink and brown. Wait, is that my replacement? He's taking the spotlight. I'm being replaced. No, I knew this day would come. I gotta do something about this. Ow. Squeak. Man, Blacklight Cupcake, you sure look a lot different today. Squeak. Huh, it's kind of weird. You look a lot more official. Oh, well, it probably doesn't matter. How you doing? Squeak. Yo, give me the ball. It's my ball. It's my ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Yo, it's not your ball. It's my ball. I had it first. Okay, fine. Maybe it is your ball, but I'm stealing it. No. say Tuesday. Say it. Tuesday. Say it properly. It's Tuesday. I don't know what you want from me. Tell me more, funny man. Oh my gosh, someone please help. Fnaf Freddy, let me on. It's my turn to play. No, I'm an epic gamer. What are you talking about? You're not even playing it right. In fact, I'm pretty sure you're losing. If I was losing, I'd be losing points. I'm gaming, bro. I'm gaming. I'm gaming. I'm gaming. Get out of the way, woman. I'm gaming. I'm gaming. Fnaf Freddy, there's seriously something wrong with you. Shut up, I'm gaming. Don't interrupt the gamer. I'm gaming. Huh? I gotta press this button too. There we go. Enter. Get right up and go it again. I'm gaming. I'm looking like a dog with Nicky butt. You know, I don't think I want to play anymore. I know, I'm such an epic skydiver. Like, I skydived this one time, and I skydived, and I landed on the ground. One time I landed in the water. I'm a really cool skydiver. I like skydiving. Did you know that? Yes, I did, because you repeated it to me 1,000 times. Oh, should I tell you another story of mine? But you just stop talking to me. Alright, so there's this one time where I was skydiving, and please help me. Huh. I always wondered what happened to Yellow Bunny Man. Who? The sidekick of Dying Fish. He just disappeared one day, and no one ever knew where he went. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know who that is. Well, of course you don't. You weren't here when he was around. Huh. Who does he think he is? Trying to take the spotlight? I'll go show him who's boss. Or, you know what? Fine, you can have the ball. Hey, you pink imposter, who are you? Huh? What was that? Squeak. It was probably nothing. Oh, yar, got my ball back. Hello. Shut up, don't make fun of me. What? Huh? Oh, hi, Blacklight Cupcake. What the heck was that? What is going on today? Quack, quack. Ooh. What's happening? I'm flying. Oh, Cupcake, you don't leave without me. We can be flying buddies. Someone help! Boing! Quack! Yay, that was fun! Let's do it again! Get off me! There you are, you pink imposter! Actually, now that I'm more closer to him, he kind of looks more like an emerald-like color. Quack! What the? Am I seeing double? But who's the real one? Quack! Chica, are you kidding me? I'm a pinkish purple color. He's an ugly green color. Ugh. You're green. Are you colorblind or something? Yes. Squeak. 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 I think this one is the real one. What? I'm obviously the real one. He's a fake one. He can't even speak. It just says squeak. I actually speak real words. He doesn't. What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about, whoever you are, but this definitely is the real Cupcake. Are you trying to wink? Quack. Yeah, Wow, come on, Cupcake. Let's just do some stuff that we usually do. Squeak.
What? No! You stupid, rat-rolled-looking, ugly piece of garbage! I will get my revenge.
Are we just gonna ignore the fact that Blacklight Cupcake started floating? I guess so. You know what? I'm too tired to be included in this episode.
You heckin' jerk! Who do you think you are coming in here and stealing my spot?
Ooh, drama's going on. This is quite a violent place. Skydiving. I like skydiving. Hey, Foxy, did you know that I like skydiving? I like skydiving. I like skydiving, 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 skydiving. Shut it!
Oh, my ball. Why I oughta? Ow! Squeak.
Well, that guy has a problem. Squeak.
Hold on, Chica. Why'd you quote-unquote wink at me when you said this is a real cupcake?
Oh, that? Well, I wanted to make you think that I thought that this was the real cupcake, even though I know you're the real cupcake. But I decided that this one's the better cupcake.
What? This better be a joke, Chica. Squeak. Shut up, you stupid. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Blacklight Cupcake!
Squeak.
Cupcake, where are you? Oh, there you are, my little cupcake.
Squeak, 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 squeak. Huh?
Huh, something seems off about you. Oh, whatever, you're mine now.
No, Chica, help me. Chica, help.
Oh, I'm glad I found you. You gotta stop running away from me like that. I've been trying to find you for a year now. A year? Wow, she's determined. Now that I found you, we're gonna have so much fun together.
Mark my words, Chica. You will regret this.
Hush now, Cupcake. We gotta find our way back home. What the heck did I just experience? I have no idea. That was weird. Anyways, Cupcake, you can come out now. She's gone.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Huh. I wonder what will happen with Blacklight Cupcake. Oh well. Am I the only one who noticed that she wasn't burning from Blacklight Cupcake's candle? Oh yeah, I noticed that too. Also, how is she walking? She has no legs. I mean, neither does Cupcake and Blacklight Cupcake, and you haven't been questioning them? Well, they walk around by bouncing and or hopping. She was doing none of those. She was just floating. Maybe she has magical powers. Who knows? Maybe that's how they were able to track down Cupcake.
Squeak.
Huh. Today has been weird. You can say that again, but please don't.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Oh well, I guess we can just end the episode here. This channel has a strange obsession with breaking the fourth wall. Yeah. Oh, I'm an epic gamer. Oh, I see you. Oh, I get wrecked, kid. Oh, forget teammate. Oh, I get wrecked. No, we get clapped on. Oh, I need to heal. Okay, good thing I've got apple.